Hello guys, in today's video, we are going to present you the top 5 best stand mixers available on the market. We made decisions our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notifications. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 1. KitchenAid 5-quart tilt head stand mixer. With its iconic design, available in 46 stunning colors including orange sorbet, green apple, and dried rose, the KitchenAid Artisan 5-quart stand mixer is eye candy for your countertop. But it's also a real workhorse that tops almost everyone's list of best stand mixers due to its fast, efficient mixing and quiet operation. It has the bowl capacity and oomph to mix up 9 dozen cookies, 4 loaves of bread, or 7 pounds of mashed potatoes. It has a slow start feature to avoid spattering your counter with a flurry of flour or a splash of milk when it first ramps up. Like all KitchenAid stand mixers, it has 10 speeds and a hub for attaching optional accessories, including a pasta roller and a spiralizer. Reasons to buy: tilt head, quiet. All parts except wire whisk are dishwasher safe. Reasons to avoid: you need an even larger bowl. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Electric Stand Mixer. We won't lie, this stand mixer won't dress up your countertop the way KitchenAid will, but it won't make as big a dent in your budget either, and you won't sacrifice much in mixing results. This mixer turns out clouds of whipped cream, tender lemon chiffon cake, and 2 tall loaves of whole wheat bread. The Hamilton Beach may take a little longer to mix than a KitchenAid does, but hey, you're not mixing the batter by hand. And when it comes to ease of use, the Hamilton Beach bests them all. Not only is the speed dial easy to turn, but it also has big numbers. No reading glasses necessary. If you're never quite sure what speed to use, check out the guide matching tasks to speeds right on top of the mixer head. Handles on either side of the bowl make maneuvering the mixer easy, and all of the parts, including the whisk, can be popped in the dishwasher. As the mixer is relatively lightweight and has a handle on top, it's convenient to reposition or carry to a closet for storage. Reasons to buy: very reasonable priced, lightweight, and easy to move. All parts are dishwasher safe. Reasons to avoid: smaller capacity than many. No attachments available. Number 3. Cuisinart Precision Master Stand Mixer SM50. While the Cuisinart Precision Master Stand Mixer is solidly built of die-cast metal, it's not overly heavy, which makes it very convenient to store in a closet or cabinet when you're not using it. It has a large 5.5-quart mixing bowl and the oomph to mix batter for 5 dozen cookies. However, it can only knead dough for about 2 loaves of bread, so if you're a heavy-duty bread baker, this might not be the model for you. For its capacity, however, it is a very affordable and handsome choice. The Cuisinart is easy to use and all the parts except the whisk are dishwasher safe. It is available in a selection of colors including ruby red, white, black, periwinkle blue, robin's egg blue, and silver. You can purchase a variety of attachments from a pasta roller to a spiralizer. Reasons to buy: excellent and efficient at all mixing tasks. Easy to operate. All parts except wire whisk are dishwasher safe. Reasons to avoid: can only knead enough dough for 2 loaves of bread. Number 4. Wolf Gourmet High Performance Stand Mixer. If you have a professional style kitchen and want a mixer that fits right in, you'll love the Wolf Gourmet Stand Mixer. It has the same impressive stainless steel design, complete with a red knob, as the Wolf range. And as you would expect, it also costs top dollar. This is one big, heavy countertop appliance designed for people who bake often and in large quantities. In fact, the bowl can handle enough batter for 14 dozen cookies or dough for 8 loaves of sourdough bread. While on most bowl lift mixers, you turn a crank to lower and raise the bowl. On the Wolf, you rotate the bowl itself to adjust its height. There are a dozen settings on the speed dial, but you can stop anywhere in between for lots of fine-tuning. There's a pulse setting for cutting butter into flour for pie dough, or just not overbeating a cake batter when you add in the dry ingredients. When you turn the Wolf on, it starts off slowly so never get a big splatter. There's a hub up front for optional attachments, but to date, none are available. If you're not a fan of the signature red knobs, black and stainless steel ones are included with the mixer. Reasons to buy: impressive professional performance, large capacity, excellent and efficient at all mixing tasks. Reasons to avoid: expensive and heavy. No attachments available yet. Number 5. KitchenAid Pro 5 plus 5 quart bowl lift stand mixer. With this mixer in your kitchen, you can go ahead and double up on recipes. It has the power to handle the dough for 6 loaves of bread or 72 cookies. At Thanksgiving, it can mash 7 pounds of spuds, leaving you free to carve the turkey and whisk up the gravy. This mixer is big and heavy and is definitely for bakers who bake a lot and bake often and want to give a stand mixer pride of place on the countertop. Of course, you can use all the KitchenAid attachments, from the meat grinder to juicer to the spiralizer, so this device can replace several appliances. That's good, because it's easier to store lots of accessories than several machines. Reasons to buy: large capacity, excellent at all mixing tasks, all parts except wire whisk or dishwasher safe, can be used with all KitchenAid mixer attachments. Reasons to avoid: large and heavy,